Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell on Me on the piano. We'll begin by identifying the four main chords that form the song's foundation: C, G, a minor, and F. These are common chords, making the song quite accessible for beginners. Focus on learning the correct hand positioning for each, ensuring your fingers are comfortable. Then, practice transitioning smoothly between them, aiming for a fluid movement. This initial step is crucial for building a solid base. Now, let's move to your right hand, which will handle the melody. The melody for Hell on Me is quite straightforward, often involving single notes or simple intervals. Pay close attention to the rhythmic pattern, as this gives the song its distinctive feel. Start by playing the melody at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, ensuring each note is accurate and clear. Gradually increase your speed as your confidence grows. For your left hand, the primary role is to provide the bass and harmonic foundation. You'll typically play the root notes of the chords we discussed earlier. For example, when playing a C major chord, your left hand will play a C note. Maintaining a steady, consistent rhythm with your left hand is key to keeping the song's pulse. The real challenge and reward comes from coordinating both hands to create a full, rich sound. With both hands now familiar with their parts, it's time to combine them. Begin by playing both hands together at a very slow pace, perhaps 40 to 50 beats per minute, focusing on synchronization. As you gain comfort, gradually increase the tempo. Aim for consistent, short practice sessions, maybe 15 to 20 minutes each day, rather than one long session. Listening to the original song frequently will also help you internalize its feel and timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.